Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Ijaz here from Gated Unbox TV. So today I got the Realme 6 and we're going to unbox, and I wanted to share one thing later in the end of this video. So before further ado, and let's get into it and let's see what we are getting with this mobile. One thing I like about the Realme, that's their color, the unique yellow color, and also they have given you a glance on the back, and I have the Comet blue color, and this is the 4 gigs of variant, and pretty much like same with the C3 that what we had. So quickly peel it up and what we are getting with the box, let's see. The box itself gives a premium look, and it's very easy to lift it up, not that much you can say. So usual paper guide, the mobile itself is here, and if I have to do it like this, I'll have to do it like this. Just keep it aside, we will get back to this later. You got the power dock, which says 50% in just 30 minutes. So that's the 30-watt vooc charge power dock. USB Type C cable, which is a good sign. And let's see what we get. One thing I'm missing here, the hands-free. So with this price tag, we didn't get the hands-free. The user guide, overall, kind of good one, not a simple one, kind of good one. Silicone case. Alright, and let's get to the main person. So here's how it's gonna look. We got the Comet blue color, and that's it. So let's see what juice we have. So Realme 6 comes with the LPDDR4 RAM, and out of the box it comes with the Android 10 experience, which makes the overall experience more smoother. So when it comes to the camera section, we got quad camera setup, 48 megapixel main sensor, then the 8 megapixel ultra wide, then we got the 2 megapixel depth sensor, and then lastly we got the 5 megapixel macro camera. And the shots were really nice and the color reproduction was fine. And when we switch to the video section, so we got three options. We can either select 1080p 60 fps or 1080p 30 fps. Okay, then we got the 4K 30 fps option, and if you click on the ultra steady mode, it crops the frame and gives you the ultra steady look, which is super duper fine. And then we got the extra ultra steady mode, but the quality gets very cheaper, and it seems so nice, but the quality will be loose and we're gonna have to compromise. When it comes to the selfie camera, the front camera section performs really well, which takes the 16 megapixel camera sensor, and the selfie came out pretty well, kind of sharp. You can see the mustache can be seen, every inch of the hair, every inch of the mustache and the beard can be seen very clearly. And if you go to focus on the forehead, seems fine, kind of you can see sharp reproduction. So the fingerprint scanner was quicker and snappier, just one tap and it's unlocked. So when it comes to display, we got the dark mode to apply, and everything turns out so perfectly fine, and it is working with almost every app on the Play Store, and we can see it here. So that's a quite good thing. Now when it comes to the default rates, so the screen refresh rate, we got three options. Either we can keep it on 60, or we can keep it on 90, or we can use it on auto select, so it will work accordingly. I prefer to work on 90 Hz, but as we need to keep in mind, if we use it on 90 Hz, so the battery draining consumption will be more probable. When it comes to the sound quality, we felt it was more than average, and we checked it with some different apps, and it was louder. We didn't felt any lag, and it was quite nice. And also we got the 3.5mm headphone jack, which makes the sound experience more better. So if you have a good quality headphone, so you can take a better, you can say, experience of your sound. So for the charging section, it comes out with the 30 volts fast vooc charger with 3.0 technology, and it can go from 0 to 50 in just 30 minutes, and which is a good sign, and in 70 minutes 0 to 100. When it comes to the display, so the YouTube supports 1080p 60 fps HDR videos, and the results were surprising. And we can pinch it in, and that was super duper fine. The HDR10 content was accurate, color combination, color reproduction, everything was perfect on the mobile. So if you are a skin lover and you wanted to apply one of these skins, if you're a PUBG lover and you wanted to apply a skin on your mobile, so I have given their address in the description. You can go and check. They have multiple universal skins, so you can apply on any mobile. So this is the one I bought. Because of the 90 Hz, the touch rate and the overall experience, the smoothness is so high, and we can feel it here if you go from here. So the storage option is like, we have the 128 gigs internal storage variant, and out of that you can say we have almost 109 gigs of storage available, and 18 GB so far has been used. So it powers up with the Helio G90T processor, and it slightly heats up, but we haven't felt any overall throttles, and the game experience was smooth and quite better as compared to other Snapdragon processors. Helio G90T performs really well. So it's packed with a lot of features, as we saw, and the first thing I wanted to tell you guys that I made the intro by Realme 6 with 4K 30 FPS, alright, and this is the conclusion. I'm making it in 1080p 60 FPS by Realme 6, and this is it guys. Jazz here from Get It Unboxed TV. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, cheers, take care.